Peace, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey. After painstakingly sanding rust off the salon deck ceiling for many, many hours, we made a big financial decision.
It's about the 3rd or 4th most expensive item for the boat. The paint job was the most expensive single item for the boat. Then we had the digital steering system. This actually might be the 3rd, and it's just a tool. Definitely by far the most expensive tool ever in any part of my life. I thought the CNC we just recently purchased was going to be the most expensive one for a long time. And I didn't request this tool. Jeannie did. And she's the guilty one over there.
So it's probably the smartest tool we ever bought.
Probably so. We will certainly find out. We're going to unbox this exciting thing and see how quickly you can figure out what it is. Take the foam off here. Ooh, look at that pretty powder blue case. Ooh. There's the back side, cooling fan size. Ooh, they got filters in there, it looks like. There's the other side. Which, look, a hose. You ready to see the front side? Okay, so anybody figured out what it is yet? Let's take out the wand here. You ready? The magic end, the expensive end. It is a laser cleaning tool.
For removing rust.
Hefty power cord. And then we had a bunch of little accessories here that are in another box. Tubing to hook up the blower. It has a blowing device to clear the smoke. Plastic bag cover. Ooh, cool. Protective lenses. So there are multiple ones. The stand and then the blowing device. You can set this up and then you can work with the part and just have the laser going straight down on it. So it's kind of a workbench setup for cleaning of small parts. That's an air blower, and it also gives you kind of the focal length, how far back you should have the laser. This should be blowing approximately right around there. It's about 10 inches back because this is a 300 watt pulse one. We looked at a 2000 watt continuous, but man, it was small washing machine size. Well, there's where we could have put it. We could have gotten rid of the washing machine and dryer and stuck it right there. It would have been perfect. Every boat should have a 2000 watt laser system. So a set of Allen wrenches.
It's for your head.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, I see. Yeah.
Oh, it's got the mask in it.
Yeah.
Can you get sunburned?
I don't know. You certainly can get sunburned off of a welding system.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me shoot it at you and see what happens.
I have no tattoos to remove.
We're not doing rust. We're going to do tattoo removal. May feel a slight bit of pain. A roll of tape. I don't know what the tape's for. Air hose couplings. A pair of laser goggles. This way Jeannie can be out. They can't give me the excuse, oh, I can't be out there. All the latest fashion. Give it a try. You look great. A little screwdriver. Oh, it's a nice straight blade. And a face shield.
Glasses.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
All right, let's go take rust off.
Yeah. Clip on the top or something. A little bit more. All right. We're going to go, I guess, take it outside and start figuring out how to make it do something interesting later.
Here's our first attempt at laser cleaning rust. I don't think we're doing anything.
Pins look good. We finally found there was a loose connection inside the case, and so once we connected that loose connection, it seems to be working correctly and good. So now we're going to see if it'll laser up here on some of the areas I can get to very easily. These pits, especially over here in the corner, you can see rust pits and stuff that are in there that I want to see if we can get those to come out with the laser. And then we're going to also attack some of this bigger chunks. I'm not sure the laser will do anything on those, but we will find out what it does later.
The laser worked really well on rust and pitted areas and thinner layers of rust, but not so well on rust chunks. The chunks needed to be knocked down first. Also, there were areas the laser head couldn't reach, in particular, the inside bottoms of the L-beams. We tried a stainless steel mirror to reflect the beam, but as the stainless steel heated up, it became a funhouse mirror and the reflection wasn't reliable. So we had to resort to sanding the bottoms of the L-beams. Bill's out there sanding away on the spots that the laser can't get to. He's making a gigantic mess out there. Grinding rust is my least favorite job. Thank you, honey, for not making me go out there. Upon removing the rust, we painted the spots with 2 coats of Petit Rust Lock, then 1 coat of Petit Gray epoxy paint, and finally 1 coat of Petit White epoxy paint.